Hi there, it's Haley at Seamwork, and today I'm going to show you the Benning and Jada dress and talk about the fabrics that work really well for these two dresses. So let's get started. The Benning dress is kind of the perfect way to kick off the spring. This dress has a relaxed fit, cut-on sleeves, V neckline, and a two-tiered skirt. And it also has a nice romantic midi length. This dress is going to work in so many different fabrics. You're going to look for light to medium weight wovens. Things that would work well include linen, cotton lawn, batiste, shirting, chambray, double gauze, various types of rayon or tencels would work really well also. Even silk would be very luxurious and glamorous for this particular dress. Benning looks really great in solids and prints alike. You could even have a little bit of fun and play with color blocking, or even using a sheer fabric for the bottom tier would be really fun. Things to watch out for though, you're going to want to avoid fabrics that are too thick that won't gather very well. For instance, a denim will give you kind of a clunky gather and is not really ideal for this tiered gathered skirt. Also, just be aware of how sheer or opaque your fabric is. If you're choosing something that's on the more sheer side, you might want to, consider a slip or something underneath or not. That's your choice as well. But always being aware of the opacity of your fabric when you're making a dress that is unlined is a good idea. For the Benning samples that are featured in the March 2021 issue of Seamwork, we were lucky enough to get our hands on some amazing new fabric from Alexia Abegg of Ruby Star Society. If you're not familiar with Alexia, you should definitely go check her out. Check out Ruby Star Society. We will link below so you can check that out. But the Warp and Weft line is a line of yarn dyed fabrics, and they're really beautiful. Alexia's taste in color is just extraordinary, and they sent us a bunch of samples for us to pet and oogle at, and I got to choose two fabrics from this collection for the Benning dress. First up, I have this amazing blue Benning dress. This particular stripe is called the shirtwaist. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. There are two different fabric weights in this collection. This is the shirting weight, which actually is so perfect for the Benning dress. It is 100% cotton. I would say that it's lighter weight than a quilting cotton, more along the lines of a shirting, a really soft chambray, or a cotton lawn. It is perfect for garment sewing, and quilters too. Would work great for a quilt. You can see that the fabric has a little bit of body so that you're getting a little bit of volume from those gathers, but also it's nice and soft, so it's relaxed and not too voluminous and overwhelming on the body. It has this really great kind of indigo blue color with a rust and kind of butter yellow stripe running through it, and it's just super yummy. I love it. Next up, I have the member bonus for Benning. So for this month, the member bonus swaps out the V neckline for a round neckline, a little bit higher neckline. I know that people kind of fall into two camps. They either love the low neck or they hate it. So this is a great option for you if you prefer a little bit higher neckline. This is another fabric from the Heirloom Warp and Weft collection. Again, the shirting weight. This particular print is called Dress Up. I love this kind of wide, chunky stripe in this goldenrod color in peach. This also comes in a variety of other colors as well. And again, It's just kind of the perfect weight for a garment like this, and really any kind of sundress in general. Nice and opaque, yet lightweight and breezy, perfect for all of your spring and summer garments. Next up, we have the Jada dress. The Jada dress is a fit and flare knit dress. It has a really great bodice overlay that creates kind of a flounce effect. Very romantic and also really comfortable to wear. If the flounce isn't your cup of tea, it's really easy to eliminate, and we show you how to do that in the pattern hack for this month, so definitely check that out if you're not a flouncy kind of person. For this particular garment, you're gonna look for knit fabrics, light to medium weight with at least 50% stretch. Now for this, you can use 2-way or 4-way stretch. Personally, I think that 4-way stretches are a little bit more forgiving to fit. So if fitting is something that you're feeling a little nervous about still, I definitely recommend reaching for a 4-way rather than a 2-way, but both would work great for this garment. Fabrics that are going to work well for Jada include cotton spandex jerseys, rayon jerseys. Anything in the jersey family is gonna work really well. So cotton, soy, bamboo, rayon, all of those are going to be lovely. Just make sure that you have a little bit of spandex or lycra in there so that the garment has good recovery and fits comfortably around your body. For the first Jada dress, I wanted to show you something in the lighter weight drapier range. So this yellow Jada is a rayon spandex. You can see that this fabric is really flowy. It complements the flounce really well and allows it to kind of hang very delicately. I think that this is a great option if you want that drapier look, you want the volume to hang kind of closer to your body rather than sticking out. A rayon, bamboo, or soy jersey is going to be perfect for the Jada dress if that's what you're looking for. For the second dress, I have this really stunning kind of poppy red. I wanted to show you something that was a little bit more medium weight and structured. This is the pattern hack, so it does not have the flounce, and we also change up the back neckline and add a cool little tie. But you can see that this particular fabric offers a lot more structure to the skirt and that things hang a lot differently. Both options are beautiful. It's just a matter of what your preference is for a garment like this. And there you have it. All of the fabrics that we used in the March 2021 issue of Seamwork. I hope that you learned a thing or two and are feeling super inspired to go off and sew your own dresses. Be sure to check out all of the links below and like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like this, you want to see more of them, and you want to help other people to find them. Liking and commenting helps people to do that. I will see you next month. Happy sewing!